Greetings from the top of the world, or aka my ladder. So this is a preview of coming attractions. I'm not sure if I'm going to do this, but I just want to let you know and walk through the process as you go through it with me. So we're going to look at installing some gutter guards. Went ahead and I got a sample from Amazon. This is the 6-inch, and this is the 5-inch. This is what we're going to look at doing. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to test it, see how this actually goes in here. As you can see, switch views here, see what kind of stuff I got here. I love my green tree and stuff here, and the palm up here, trees and my palm up here. The problem is this crap in here. I'm getting up here a little bit. I am by no means old. I feel that way. But the thing is, I don't think I should be climbing and scaling rooftops anymore to clean my stuff here. So here's what I'm looking at. The way this thing goes in here is the question. I put it in here, it falls right through. I stick it up here and I tap it in slightly, like so. Very snugly fit right against that little part right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact the folks that make this and see if I can get a better answer as to how this is supposed to be clamped. I've seen people put screws on the side here. I've definitely seen people, secure it up here using tap screws as well. These are really nice gutters. I'm just getting really tired of cleaning them, and I'd like to think this solution would be good. I'm very curious to see if you guys have any questions or any comments, or if you've done something like this before. Now's my time to ask you. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my measuring tape here, and I'm going to go ahead and measure out my long section at least to figure out how many pieces I will need. And I'll contact the company, and we'll see if this project is a go or only a preview flop. Thanks guys for watching. I'm Rudy from Top of the World. Take care.